Hi guys, this is Clara, and this video is going to be an advent calendar that I purchased at Target. It's a 12-day one, and we're going to open it together to see what kind of goodies is inside. It was $20, it was $19.99, so $20. So let's see if I feel like I got my money's worth. So this is the way it looks when you open it. And on top it says 12 Days of Beauty, Target. And there are the 12 different doors. So I'm going to go with door number 1. This is going to be hard. I could do the easy way, but I won't. So this is door number 1. And what's in it is... it's the Master Prime by Maybelline, and it's a deluxe size. And I don't have this. I really don't. It says Hydrate and Smooth. I really don't have, except for, I think it's L'Oreal that I have a primer for. I don't have any other primers that are drugstore. So this will be nice. So now door number 2 is right here. And this is a bath bomb. Smells good. It's by the brand Raw Sugar. This is very, very nice. So definitely something to enjoy. Okay, box number 3 is, hold on guys, I can't take it out like that. Okay, this is argan oil of Morocco, and it's a dry shampoo. So I do like dry shampoos, and this is a pretty nice size. So far so good. Okay, now number 4 is right here. It says Good Chemistry, so it's a cologne sample, which I think is kind of could have done better than that. Okay, door number 5. Okay, this is the Shea Moisture Bamboo and Charcoal Body Scrub. So this would probably be very nice. Let me see if it's sealed. Yes, it's sealed. So I'm not going to open it right now because I do have a couple of body scrubs open. But this is a nice size. Okay, I kind of took that off. That was number 5. Okay, number 6 is the Acure Night Cream. So Acure is a cruelty-free brand, I believe. I can't tell. I'm pretty sure they're cruelty-free. So it says a little goes a long way. Apply a dab to face, neck, and décolleté after cleansing and toning. So this is a pretty nice brand. So number 7, I ordered another advent calendar. I can't wait to get it. Oh, number 7 is a Wet n Wild highlighter, and this is in Precious Petals, I bet. Yes, Precious Petals, which I already have. So I would put this in a giveaway because I already have that shade. Okay, number 8 looks like it will be a lipstick or something because it's very skinny. I'm destroying this. Let me see. This is Well People. I don't know what it is. Oh, it's a mascara. Let me see. The back says what it is. I don't want to open it if it's a mascara. It is... maybe not. It is a mascara. Oh well. Okay, I didn't want to open it because I have so many open right now. That was number 8. So number 9 is an e.l.f. Kabuki brush, which is nice for powder. Feels really nice. e.l.f. has pretty good brushes. That was number 9. Number 10 is a beauty blender. Let's see who is it by. Number 10. Real Techniques. So that's good. I like Real Techniques beauty blender. It's a small one, but I do like Real Techniques. So this is number 10. Number 11 is Vichy Supreme Lavactin. I don't know what this is. Let me see what it is. Anti-wrinkle firming corrective care. So it's another moisturizer. And I think this is not a very inexpensive brand. I'm not sure. I've heard of it before. Never tried it. But I like the packaging. It's pretty cool. Look at the shape of the container. That's pretty cool. Alright. And, whoops. Okay, number 12 is the last one that's left. Last but not least. Oh my gosh, it's giving me a hard time. Okay, it's by Bliss. And it's cleanser exfoliator. Let's read on the back. Foaming face wash by Bliss. So this is a nice size, and this is definitely nice for traveling. This is perfect for traveling because it's small enough. I haven't traveled in a long time, guys. I used to travel all the time, but since my mom passed away, we really haven't traveled that much. But anyways, so this was pretty nice. I mean, I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you think it was worth the 20 bucks? I mean, it brought some nice products. I think the Cure is pretty nice. Even if I don't use it for my face, can definitely use it for my neck. The Master Primer Heard is very nice. It's not a full size, but that's okay. This is a very nice. It takes me forever to go through a primer anyway. I've definitely like the body scrubs, so I like that. The e.l.f. brushes I like. What I don't like is these little ones. They're kind of hard to store, but it feels very soft. It will be great for powder. So what I thought was was the cologne. I think it's very small. It doesn't even have a spray. It's one of those that you have to pull out. It smells very alcohol-y. So Magnolia Violet. Don't know. I think it smells a lot like alcohol. I've heard of Well People, but never tried their products. I already opened it, so I might as well show you. This is what the wand looks like. It's one of those plastic wands, which I don't enjoy. They usually hurt if you poke yourself with them. I know you're not supposed to poke yourself with your mascara, but some of us do. This is nice. It's a small one, but it's nice. It looks like a chess piece, doesn't it? But anyway, I like that. And the bath bomb is nice. So, I don't know if, if it's worth the 20 bucks. Everything was, on the shampoo. And I think this is the only thing that was full price. I mean, full size. The highlighter, and I already have it. But live and learn. I just wanted to try it and see, and I thought, I thought it was okay, but it's not anything that I would tell you, go and run and get yourself one. No, I think the other stuff that I got that I show you on my other, on the Target haul, I think those Christmas kits were much better than this, much better buy. But anyway, so this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you on my next one. Love you. Bye. Mwah.